Bali service. Bali service. Good morning, sir. I'm Michael Manay, and I'm your ballet attendant for today. May I come in, sir?
Yes, please. Come in, please.
By the way, sir, may I borrow your laundry request form?
Yes, of course.
Sir, what is your laundry, sir?
There. On the table.
Sir, can I check your laundry?
Yes, please.
By the way, sir, based on your laundry request form, you have two shirts and two pants, and you choose express service, which is it's delivered 6 hours within 6 hours from now. And if I cannot deliver your laundry in within 6 hours, it will be free charge. So, by the way, sir, your name is Gabriel Dalisay, and your room is 301. And express service have a cost of 50%, additional 50%, and your laundry cost of 1,000 pesos, and additional of 50%, total of 1,500 pesos. Yes, please. Sir, your sir, your payment method is account charge. Um, will you please sign this laundry request form? Thank you, sir. Bali service. Bali service. Bali service. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Um, where do you want to place your clothes?
At least, top of my bed.
Thank you, sir. Clothes. Sir, by the way, this is your laundry request form. Please sign this laundry request.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. By the way, sir, if there's anything else that I can help you, sir.
Not, not for now.
If you need anything else, sir, just dial 2 for Valley Service. Thank you very much, sir.